Welcome to the Hortons channel. I'm here at my favourite restaurant in Marlborough, Pino's, and we're here for the Hortons Christmas party. I wanted to take this opportunity to thank all my customers and my subscribers to the channel, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now let's go to the table and have some fun. So here we are at the table. I'm here with Michael, who you've all met before. He did one of the videos and does the filming and editing. So thank you to you, Michael, for all your hard work this year.
It's kind of you, thanks.
And we have a UK tradition, which is the Christmas cracker, one of my favourite traditions. My wife is American. We take crackers over to the States for Christmas. And so let's open a cracker, Michael.
Cool one.
Oh, you got the prize.
I got the prize and the joke.
And the great thing about crackers is you get a prize, you get a hat, which I've already got a hat on already, and you get the best part, which is a joke. So what's your joke?
So, how do you get an alien to sleep?
No idea.
You rock it.
And here's one for you. Why didn't the teddy eat anything at the party?
It obviously had too much to eat at the picnic.
He was already stuffed.
Oh, that's a good one.
So we're bringing a bit of UK life to everyone. And then now we're going to get on with opening some presents which people have kindly given me. So we just had our starter, which was delicious, and now everyone's been giving me some presents. So let's see what I have here. And I'm not a tidy opener, I just rip the paper open and see what's in. Oh, and look at this. It's a book. What a surprise. No better present for Christmas than a book, I have to say. And here we have the long-awaited Formula 2, the glory years, 1967 to 1984, by Evro. And this has been in production, I think, for about 5 years, maybe more. And finally, here it is. It looks wonderful. Formula 2 is such an important part of motorsport history, and you can see how thick this book is. I really look forward to having a look at that later on. Very exciting. Feels like another book. So here we go. Oh yes, a classic. A real classic. So here is the famous SPORTERFOLGE. And you'll have seen in one of my other videos that I picked this up from Antwerp. So we bought the entire remaining stock of this book, and something that everyone should own. If you like early Porsche racing, this book is for you. The photography is phenomenal, and the production quality is also the best. Corsa Research have always done a great job of producing fantastic books, beautifully produced, and this is no exception. And also, it's heavily discounted at the moment, so make the most of that, because it won't be that price forever. But what a beautiful book. Now we'll do another one. Let's do a different shaped one. This even has a bow on it. One of my favourite cars ever. Wow. So this is a Scalextric's model. It's the Lotus Esprit Turbo from For Your Eyes Only, one of my favourite movies, and it had been adapted so it had a ski rack on the back. As you know, I love Lotus Esprits, and no more so than this. A truly great present, and also that leads me into coming in a year or a year and a half's time. We have a new website, a new Hortons website, which is the Hortons collectible website, which will have programs and posters and ephemera and models and all sorts. I honestly can't wait for the site to be ready, but look out for it. There'll be the book site, which will obviously have all the books, and then there'll be the collectibles site, which will not only have car collectibles, but it'll have things that I'm particularly passionate about, and just things that I think should be on the site. So this is a truly fantastic present. Now, what do we have here? I think I know what this is. Yes, here we have Ferrari in America. We are the European distributors for this book. It only came in this week. Came in on Wednesday this week. And David Bull Publishing. You remember we met Mariah Bull at the show in California, and she let us know about this book. Well, it's as good as anticipated. Incredibly well written, beautiful photography, a really nice size of book, sits in the hand well, very easy to look at. On the website, I can thoroughly recommend it. And finally, it's always a bit sad when you get to your last Christmas present. But here we go. What do we have here? Ooh, another classic. So, another Scalextric model of the DB5 Aston Martin that featured in Goldfinger. You can see with the roof section here where the ejector seat will fire out the passenger, but what a fantastic model. Scalextric really do a great job on these. It's got Sean Connery 007 sat inside, and I look forward to putting both of those on my Scalextric track. So yeah, one of the great James Bond models. Oh, it's an official Aston Martin licensed product. Yeah, beautifully produced. So again, look out on the new site when it comes out. We'll have lots of Aston Martin items. About a year ago, I had a complete set of Aston Martin brochures, from the very first brochure to ones just recently produced. So really do look out for that site. It'll be very exciting, and we'll do lots on social media about it. So I'm here with my friends at Pinot's. Thank you for a wonderful evening. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And once again, Merry Christmas to all my customers and subscribers. A Happy New Year, and look forward to seeing you in 2025.
Ho ho ho!
Good?
Yay!
So yeah, then you can see yourself on my channel.